Bans and curfews around the country, putting several activities on hold as the U.S. and other countries grapple with a surge of coronavirus cases. And to discuss how safe it is to visit parks or playgrounds, Dr. Joe Corcoran joins us again on 8 News Now tonight on Skype. He's the Chief Medical Officer from HCA Healthcare. Thank you, Doctor, for joining us. And let's get right into the old outdoor exercise. If somebody wants to go on a hike or jog, what is the key? Is it just about the spacing?
It's about spacing. You know, I've seen some people do some very smart things, heading off to, well, you saw the crowds at Red Rocks this weekend, but we are so blessed in Las Vegas with so many open spaces. Just make sure that if you go with anybody else, they're members of your household. It's not a good time to get your friends together that you don't normally socialize with. And then make sure that if you are exercising, you're exercising in a way that where you're not sharing bodily fluids. In my neighborhood, I saw some middle-aged guys playing full-contact basketball. Really bad idea, Brian.
That's not what you want to do, but as you said, you can go to do the Red Rock Lake Mead mountain hike, but you need to stay that safe distance from other people there. We're getting some calls and emails at the station from people who are seeing kids on a playground. Now, we know some playgrounds have been shut down, but is that wrong to do? What is your opinion on kids in playgrounds?
Yeah, I would not want my kids at playground. And, you know, kids can get coronavirus, and most of them are going to be asymptomatic. The problem is that playgrounds are inherently tactile. You're grabbing things, you're pushing off of things, and every contact that you have with a surface, the next person comes in contact with that same surface. Now they've got whatever you've got, and if they touch their face, they could get infected too.
No to the playground, turn the backyard, the apartment, the street in front of the house, turn that into the playground with parental supervision, of course. Okay, let's get into backyard pools as Ted talks about the weather warming up and people think about swimming. Can you swim with other people? Does chlorine do its job there, or is that unsafe?
You know, again, Brian, I wouldn't trust it. What do we do when we're in a pool? A lot of us swallow a lot of water, whether we intend to or not. Where does coronavirus like to live? In your lungs, right where that water's headed. So personally, I'm going to stay out of the pool, and I'm going to keep my family out of the pool until this is behind us.
Advice to heed right there. Last time we spoke about a week ago, you were getting an influx of people who thought they might have coronavirus at the hospitals. We've been trying at Channel 8 to get the message out to call your primary care physician. Are you still dealing with that, with people heading to the ER?
Yeah, Brian, I have to hand it to you and Denise. You guys have been doing a great job getting terrific information out. So thanks for keeping Las Vegas informed. We still have room at the hospital. You know, at HCA Healthcare, our motto is we're standing ready and we're standing together. We can take care of you if you need us. I appreciate the messaging that you're sending out that if you're not sick enough to go to the hospital during a regular flu season, you're safe to be managing your own illness at home or call your doctor and get treated, but you don't need to be in the emergency room unless you truly are seeing a significant worsening of your symptoms.
And Doctor, I want to get this in, the N95 masks, for the kind-hearted people watching, you say there's ways that those can be donated. They
are, and we have a toll-free number, 855-815-3859. We'll bless many of the companies, the neighbors here in Las Vegas that are donating masks in particular, and that's really going to help our frontline staff, which is amazing, but they're tired. So if I could ask one more thing, stay home and help save lives.
Doctor, you're doing an amazing job, and we continue to appreciate your presence here on Channel 8 informing our viewers. We'll see you again and talk to you again shortly. And again, that number, Kirsten, 855-815-3859.